So good morning everyone. Today I think we will discuss something more interesting. I was just wondering, if somebody says don't do that, what would be that which you will find most difficult not to do? In very interestingly, I used to think about this, and then I probably today I think the most difficult thing not to do is to criticize. The criticism can be in your own mind also, not that you should vocally say that criticism. But knowingly or unknowingly, we will always continue to criticize somebody whom we can see, or somebody who is next to us, somebody who is away from us. And then I just wonder, why should we criticize? And many times we find that we criticize because we think we know better. Or I could have done this better. And in fact, this ego is something so high. Even people who are much, much better off than you criticize. Like you criticize the prime minister, you criticize the president. The prime minister is no ordinary man. He could become the prime minister. It needs tremendous amount of higher qualities in him by which he becomes a prime minister. And the prime minister has the source of information, all the information he has got, and considering all that information which he has got, only he takes a decision. And then having done nothing, no information with us, we go on be criticizing the prime minister also. This I find some days, maybe I don't know if I myself have done it, but very, very strange that we think that we can criticize anybody. If we have collected all the information, if we are also in the thing, then maybe still some justification is there. But just reading a newspaper, he could have done that, he could have done this, but we have no idea what is the situation in which Prime Minister had to take a decision like that. So I think I find this stopping criticism is probably the most difficult thing to do. But of course, like they say, it may not cost you anything in terms of money, but in terms of karmic conditions, it is tremendously dangerous. And so I hope all of us should make an effort to stop criticizing. And like one of the great saints said, when you see somebody doing something wrong or something not up to the mark, you should simply say, God, it is only by thy grace that I am able to do things better. Or I am not doing what this person is doing. But never criticize in the sense of accusing him of not doing the proper thing. Okay, thank you so much.